we have given fraction and we have to change to decimal. So we will divide numerator by denominator. We will use long division. Our divisor is 11. 3, and what next? Because we cannot divide 3 by 11, so after 3 we can always add decimal point, because this is whole number. After whole number is decimal point, and we will add extra zeros. We didn't change the value of our number, it's still 3. And now we can do long division. How many times we can put 11 to 3? 0. 0 times 11 is 0. Subtraction. 3 minus 0 is 3. What next? We have to take up decimal point, exactly in the same column, and take down next digit. So we have 30 divided by 11 is 2. 2 times 11 is 22. Subtraction. So we have 30 minus 22 is 8. We take down next digit. So it will be 80. 80 divided by 11 is 7. 7 times 11 is 77. Subtraction, so it will be 3. We take down next 0. So we have 30 divided by 11 is 2. 2 times 11 is 22. Subtraction. 30 minus 22 is 8. We take down next 0. So will be 80. 80 divided by 11 is 7. 7 times 11. So it will be 77. Subtraction. So it will be 3. And we see that again our remainder is different than 0 when we add extra 0 and we take down this 0. So it will be 30 divided by 11 is again 2. So we see that 27 repeats in our quotient. So what we can do, we can rewrite that 3 over 11 is approximately equal, wherever we got on the top, 0, decimal point 27, 27, and when we do long division, 27 will repeats. So because 27 repeats, we can rewrite that 3 over 11 is equal 0, decimal point 27 repeats. So we have to above 27 repeat bar, because 27, this whole number repeats. So we have repeat bar above 27. This is my solution.